All right, so we open in 12 days, so we got to put some signage up. So right here on the corner of our property is where we're going to put this sign up. I'm going to clear some things up, but it should be pretty easily to see this sign from the highway here. Oh. All right, headed to my neighbor's house. He's gonna let me borrow his auger for this sign. All right, so I need to drop the bush hog and then see if I can't get this auger hooked up. So we hooked up the auger, brought it to the top of the hill to start drilling the holes. Well, the ground was a little bit too hard, so it took a couple times going up and down to see if we could get it started. We never really got much further than probably 6 inches or so. So we dug a little pilot hole with the post hole diggers and then hooked it up to the winch of the truck to try to get a little bit more pressure down. And I started trying to drill again. So after hooking this winch up and rehooking it multiple times trying to get some progress, we ended up doing it the old-fashioned way with some post hole diggers. It took a long time to get 2 holes, but we got it done. Trying to put these posts on from the, I gotta take this off too. Yeah, we're putting this post on here on the side. I get this one started. Okay, hold on, let me get it. Gary, come on this side and I'll show you. Now, if you come over here and look on this side, try to square up this leg here. Oops, that's a little bit off. It's a little bit past. Oh, they're not gonna line up. I don't think it's going to. Hold on. We're really close. You gotta come up. You gotta. Oh, there we go. It's pulling it out a little bit. This whole thing needs to come. I need to like take a little bit of this walking.
Yeah, if you can just shave the inside of that one, it should be fine.
Of course. All right, so we started the day without a sign, and we're ending the day with a sign, so that's a win. The holes were a pain as expected, but we got it done. So Kelso Creek's Christmas Tree Farm sign is up and on the highway. So that's it for the day. That's it for this, whatever edit. Thanks to my brother for the sign and help with the install. And please like and subscribe. It helps us grow our business as we grow our trees.